On the ships of Boat Bike Tours, there are rental bikes available. The bikes are handmade in the Netherlands. This is the Highlander version. You have 7 gears, which is really enough for the Netherlands, which is pretty flat. The frame is very low. Brakes are really smooth. There's Vaude marathon tires. It's almost impossible to get a puncture with those kind of tires. In the Netherlands, we've got these special locks. So it's very, very easy to lock your bike. And it's a comfortable gel saddle. And you get a bike bag that you can easily attach and detach from your bike. And a water bottle. This is the Steps e-bike. That's especially developed for Boat Bike Tours. Same with the other bike, the Highlander. And yeah, of course, on this one you've got a nice little motor. It's here in the middle. That means it's a very stable bicycle. It's a 7-speed one. Also, this bike has the Vaude marathon tires, same as the other bike, and a comfortable gel saddle. You can do around 70 kilometers on one battery. And well, the routes of Boat Bike Tours are in between 30 and 50 kilometers, so you can easily make it on one battery. The Netherlands is really flat, but it can get pretty windy as well. And if you're cycling against the wind, it still, could get a bit hard. And then with a little motor, it's just, way easier to cycle. Let's cycle. Bye-bye.